everyone. Here is the new Leetcode problem of the day, which name is longest string chain. The problem says we have given a bird matrix, bird array. Sorry, the bird A is a predecessor of a bird B if the only we can insert exactly one letter in anywhere of word A without changing the order of the other character. It means we will change the word by inserting some character in that word but without changing the order of that word. So for example, ABC is a predecessor of ABAC, while CBA is not a predecessor of BCAD, because here we are changing the word order. So a word chain is a sequence of a word 1, word 2, like this, with a k is greater than equal to 1, where word I of a predecessor of this one. So let's look the example 1. Here we can see all words are in sorted order, and A, then the predecessor of A is this one, BA, then BDA, then BDCA. So the maximum length of this new array is 4. So our answer will be 4. So as same as this example also, the answer will be 5. So here is the approach for this problem. Firstly, I will sort this by according to the length of that particular array. Then I will find a different word successor by deleting a letter, and I will check if that word has a larger chain length. Then if we have seen the previous word, then we will update the longest chain for the current word, and it will be now 1 plus of smaller length of chain. Then now we will update the if we find any other longest chain, and finally we will return. So let's write the code for this problem. So firstly we will sort this according to the word length. So let's write the sort function. So sort of birds dot begin comma words dot end, and we will write a compare function because we are sorting this by using the birds length. So we'll write compare function. So static bool compare cmp. In this compare function I will pass two vectors, switch to string, sorry. So string ampersand s1 by reference string ampersand s2, and we will return s1 dot length is less than s2 dot length in increasing mode. So we have written the cmp function. So now what we will do, we will create an unordered map, map of string comma int type, because we have a string of in these words. So string comma int mp. Now what we will do, we will initialize int answer equals to 0, because we will finally return our answer. Int answer equals to 0. Now I will apply a loop. I will traverse the birds array. So for auto bird belongs to birds. In this what I will do is I will initialize int longest equals to 0, and if this is my bird pcxbcf, so I will traverse this word. So I will initialize another loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than w dot length, because we are traversing the w. So w dot length, then I plus plus. So now I'll check, I'll create a substring also, string substring of w, This one is W. I have created the substring which name is W. Then I will erase one element. So substring dot erase of I comma 1. And then now I will find longest equals to maximum of longest comma that substring part of means map of substring equals plus 1. This one, if we have seen the previous word, update the long last chain for the current word, it will be 1 plus smaller chain of smaller of the chain. So this one, and in other case finally I will what I will do, I will initialize map of W equals to longest. And finally we will find our maximum answer equals to maximum of answer comma longest. And now we will return our answer. So let's write the let's see the code. This one is perfect string sub equals to W. This one is also perfect. Let's run this code. It is some compilation error. 14, line number 14. Static rules string s1 s2. This one is return. Now let's run this code. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. It is working perfect. So let's discuss about the time complexity and space complexity. So the space complexity will be big of n, because we are taking a space here. So the space will be big of n. It is simple. But the time complexity is big O of n log n, because we are sorting this birds array. So big O of n log n here, and here is the two loops. In worst case it will be big O of n square in worst case. So time complexity is this one. So if you find this helpful, so you can please like, share, subscribe this channel.